Muzata.
Today we are going to show you how to install cable railing with Muzata CR33 internal thread stud terminal, which has been ingeniously designed to get the best appearance. As you can see, the thread is hidden inside turnbuckle so it won't be seen from outside. The head is small and flat and the turnbuckle is designed with a slim body. For the other end, we will use CR24 stem bolt terminal and use protective sleeve. We need a hydraulic crimper to swage cable on terminal, some stainless wire rope and a cable cutter to cut the wire rope. We have a variety of styles with different specifications on Muzata one-stop shop, including lots of all-in-one solution kits and accessories. They have been organized in order for your convenience. You can buy everything you need in a minute. Just scan the QR code or use the URL on screen to visit. If you have any questions about the product or any problems while installing, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. We are happy to help. We will upload more videos regularly. You could get the latest videos by subscribing this channel. Just click the logo on screen.